My name is Sarah Rodriguez, and today we will be looking at positive psychological welfare of canines. So, adequate welfare requirements. The welfare status of an animal is dependent on its ability to cope and exist in harmony with its environment, such that good physical and psychological health is maintained. In order to promote animal health and well-being, it is essential to see, interpret, and respond to the canine's body language. So on the right-hand side here, we have a diagram that shows different body languages a canine will present as well as what they mean. Now this isn't all of them, this is just some things that we can visually see. Alright, so what are enrichments? Enrichment refers to the process of improving the care of confined animals by providing them with social interaction, physical and mental stimulation, opportunities to perform species-typical behaviors, choice and control over their environment. So let's first look at mental enrichments. An example of a mental enrichment can be puzzle toys, such as toys that dispense food or treats. How does this relate to their natural behavior? Canines have great senses, including smell. By providing toys such as these, we are enhancing their natural ability to hunt for things, as well as challenging their minds on how to get these rewards. Husbandry impacts. Enrichments such as these are important in reducing stress and anxiety to animals, especially in shelters. Poor mental stimulation can lead to frustration, boredom, and poor behavior. This can also maintain animal brain cognition and function. So just looking at the images here on the right-hand side, the top image is a slide toy. So there's treats hidden inside. As you can see, the dog's paw is demonstrating how he pulls that out to get those said treats. On the bottom left-hand side, we can see another toy where he would have to flip that upside down in order to get the treats. And then lastly, we have the Kong ball. These ones are good just for natural chewers, or you can hide treats inside, which is another enrichment for them. Next, we have social enrichments. Proper socialization with people and other animals of the same species is essential for normal behavior development. An example would be socialization with other canines and humans, such as trainers, handlers, doctors, or owners. This can occur indoors or outdoors. Now, how does this relate to their natural behavior? Canines are generally pack animals, so being able to play and interact with other canines allows for social bonds, such as companionship. In allowing enrichments with humans, this can aid in forming bonds and trust as well. Husbandry impacts. Social interactions are vital to psychological well-being. According to ASB guidelines, without daily gentle handling and positive exposure to a variety of novel stimuli, animals may develop chronic fear and anxiety, display aggressive behavior, or be unable to adjust normally to their environment. Another factor the ASB guidelines mention is that interactions with humans should be consistent and appropriate to each dog's personality and needs, thus ensuring that dogs are not overstimulated or under-socialized. Looking at the images again, on the top right we can see socialization between canines and their owners, and then down below socialization just between the canines. Lastly, we have environmental animal interactions. An example would be access to play yards, indoors or outdoors, of course depending on the weather, and being provided additional toys or access to the natural environment such as vegetation, smells, and critters. How does this relate to their natural behavior? They get to explore things. They get to mark their territories, run and play, and even chase these critters, so squirrels, birds, stuff like that. Husbandry impacts. According to the Association of Shelter Veterinarians guidelines, allowing the canines to engage in their natural behaviors such as exploring, sniffing, and predatory behaviors can reduce poor behavior due to confinement. And then here on the right-hand side, on the top, we can see a play yard. So we see some people interacting with the dogs, but they also have access to just kind of play and interact with the toys on their own. And then below, of course, we have this dog chasing the birds, which is their natural instinct. And then we have our sources here. So just to sum it up, it is important to provide animals with the rotation of novel enrichment items and activities to maintain their interest. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.